guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show what's in my lunchbox. So let's get started. So I got, this is Pikachu and very like Pikachu. So I got my ice coater. Brrr. This is so cold. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. And this is also cold too. And also I got this juice box. And this banana. I don't barely eat bananas. I do eat bananas, so I hope it tastes good. And also I got in my JoJo box, I got some, I'll open it. Quesadillas. Quesadillas. That's going to be for my lunch. That is for my lunchbox video. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello guys, today we're doing another what's in my lunchbox, and then I have a guest, Dakota. She's a little bit grumpy, so she's gonna help me for my lunchbox. Do you want to help me? She always likes to get the camera. The sooner this, I like to get the camera too. So, which one do you want to start with? Okay. So we have these goldfish. Now we're gonna start off with that thing. Now this is the juice. If you can't see it too far. And our ice coater again. And now we got applesauce. So we have this beautiful orange. If you can't see the orange. And now I have a sandwich. Here's my sandwich. Be careful, Dakota, don't break my sandwich, or else you'll And that's all of them. See you back to my channel. Hi! I'm off to school, boy. Hello, guys. Today I'm going to do what's in my lunchbox. Okay, so I got everything, but it's kind of like going to be good. So the first thing I got is the juice box. So do everything. Wait. I'm going to show you it. It's a hot dog. A hot dog, guys. It's a hot dog. Be careful with it, Dakota. Don't spill it. Hold with 2 hands.
Good job, Dakota.
This is for lunch. Close it tightly. Now we only have is a plum. I don't say plums, but I say peaches. You should have got me a peach. I don't have any peaches. And now I got is a cheese stick for lunch. and tea time guys again. If you want to go. And I also got some snacks for my breakfast. And that's it. I'll see you back to my channel, and I'll see what's in my lunchbox again. Bye. 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 And click that video thumbs up. Bye. Bye.